Hello and welcome to this tutorial on i-homefit. We're going to go over, step by step, how to use your i-homefit equipment from scratch. Once you've installed the i-homefit app on any of your devices, whether it's a tablet or a phone, we'll proceed to open it and start by pressing the Start or Home button. The first time, you'll be in the License section. You will need to enter your license number, as well as your name, address, city, province, country, phone number, and email. Then, press Validate License to validate your license and your devices, in this case either 2 or 1 MCI. Once the license configuration is complete, we can select the desired language from the top right corner, as well as proceed to create our user or client, or create a new one using the button, where we will fill in the name, gender, date of birth, phone number, height, weight, and email, and sign the consent form. We will read and sign the consent form, and then save our client, as shown in this example. After validating our license and creating our user profile, we will proceed to start a session where we can select 1 or 2 participants, depending on the number of MCIs we have, as well as select the participant who will do the session by their name. For example, the session mode, either fitness for exercise or wellness for recovery, the type of suit or pants we are going to use, the training mode, individual or automatic, and, within the mode, the type of program to start. Once all these functions have been preset, we will proceed to press the Start button or begin the session. In the upper left part, we will wait for our MCI devices to connect, and once they appear in yellow or green, we will select them, and they will appear a bit larger with our profile name and the battery charge status. The total session time is 25 minutes, which I can reduce at any moment, as well as modify the program parameters again. Once the suit and the user are ready, we can start our session by pressing the Start button, and the timer will begin, as well as the contraction time of the impulse and the pause time, when we will feel the impulse and when we will rest. General control buttons increase the intensity for the whole body as a percentage from 0 to 100%, or decrease it, as well as adjust muscle by muscle, increasing specifically as needed. Also, the option, when you double tap, to lock a muscle group so its intensity won't go up or down, while the rest can still be adjusted. Double tap again to unlock, or press and hold for 3 seconds to disable a muscle group so it won't function. It will immediately drop to 0 and you won't feel that muscle. And we can continue our session, increasing the intensity up to 100%. The color will change depending on the intensity of each muscle group. On the right side of the screen, we can restart our session at any time, as well as see the kilocalories burned at each moment of the session, depending on the program, the client, and the session duration. There's also the virtual trainer option, where we can watch our trainer performing a series of exercises that will vary depending on the program. Once all these parameters are set, our training session will be complete.